Welcome back to day 53. And today we're going to talk about authenticity over perfection. Just be you. Yesterday I told you just push that button and get started. And today we're just going to follow through with that, guys. So loosen up, show your personality. What if the secret growing online isn't more a strategy, but it's more you? When you show up relaxed, smiling, real, people connect with you. Perfection feels distant. Personality feels human. And your quirks, your humor, and your energy are your superpower. Before you record, shake out your arms, smile, imagine talking to your best friend. Let the laugh slip in. Just be you. Your joy is magnetic to other people. So you don't need to be polished. You just need to be present. On that note, I just want you to think about this. Just record that 15-second clip. Just be you and tag it with hashtag real with so that we can cheer you on. I want you to understand that there's so much out there just for you. So go out there and be real. Go out there and be you. And you do not have to worry about anyone else. Anybody in your family, anybody in your friends, it doesn't matter. This is not their journey, sweet friends. This is yours. So take it and run with it, because I can tell you, once you start working remotely from anywhere, it is the best journey ever for you to be able to be with your family 22 of the 24 hours, and you can go and do what you need to do. I hope you have a blessed evening. I will talk to you tomorrow for day 54. I cannot wait to see you.